What's up, everybody? Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing. We got this new product here. Hydrosilex sent us their marine version. He says this works really good on trucks. I've been using the Hydrosilex, the standard Hydrosilex on my pickup truck. I love it. Everything beads up. When I wash, I can spray it on directly over the water, and as I'm drying the truck, it all just comes out great. So we're going to try it on Rick's truck today and see how it does. He's going to drive through a snowstorm this weekend and going through a parade, so we're going to give it a try. Come on over, check this out. Spray it right on over the top of the water. Just going to lightly mist a little bit on. The panel's super wet right now. You can see it's already starting to force the water to run right off. Super hydrophobic. You don't quite need this much, but I'm just showing you so that it shows that it runs right through the water. It's absolutely crazy how quick that works. You can spray it right over the top of the glass and everything. We haven't seen any issues with that. Try to zoom in on a spot here, like right here where the water's kind of sitting. Watch this. Instant hydrophobic right through it. So if you look at the side, you can see the little beads already starting to form. Now all I'm going to do is just grab a towel and wipe it off, and it'll be sealed up. Stay tuned for that. Now I just take our blue towels and we just dry it off. And you can see the water just running down the truck already. This stuff is super thick, super hydrophobic. You can feel how crazy smooth the paint is already. And you can literally dry the truck in no time with this stuff. Neil over there at Hydrosilex told me that this stuff was thicker than his standard formula, and he's not kidding, because this thing feels like it's wet right now, even though it's already dry. Right here where I wiped, the paint is actually dry already. This is unbelievable. All right, if you come zoom in here, you can see that this paint's dry already. That's absolutely nuts. All that is the Hydrosilex Marine. This stuff's crazy. So I'm gonna get to it here, finish wiping the rest of the truck off. We're gonna seal all of his stainless, glass, everything. Everything except the wheels. He just got a fresh polish, so his wheels don't need done, but he's going through a parade this weekend, so we're gonna get this thing looking right. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time. Literally dried this truck in about 45 minutes, maybe 30 minutes with 3 people. You know how clean that is. Super glossy. Didn't buff it or nothing, just washed it, wiped it down with that Hydrosilex Marine stuff. It's crazy.